हाय फ्रेंड्स, थँक यू सो मच. कशी आहात तुमी? मागता देवा सगळीं बरीं आसा म्हणून. म्हजें नांव आसा पॉल आनी हांव हिंगा जायतेच व्हिडियोज घालतां आनी तुमचो आदार आनी सपोर्ट मागता. म्हज्या चॅनलाक सबस्क्रायब करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आनी फ्रेंडांक सजेस्ट करा. देव बरें करूं. आयचो जो व्हिडिओ आसा आमी हो सिरीज केला जो आसा सॉंग ऑफ द वीक. सो एवरी वीक आय एम पोस्टिंग अ सॉंग इन कोंकणी विथ कॉर्ड्स आनी तेजी PDF फायल जी आसा ती डिस्क्रिप्शन आसतली सकला, तितून हांव घालतलो. ती वचून डावनलोड करा. आनी थोडे व्हिडियोज जे कोणे पळोवंक ना हिंगा प्लेलिस्ट घालतलो वयर हांव. सो क्लिक ऑन द प्लेलिस्ट एंड मागता तुमचो सपोर्ट आनी थँको. देव बरें करूं. सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ अ लेसन फॉर टुडे. Hi friends, welcome back. I hope this angle is right so you can see the chords. Right? Okay. So today's song of the week is Claudia. It's a beautiful love song and it's from the old Konkani movie. Alright? And my grandmother used to sing this sometimes and a lot of in the family, including dad and mom and all in the family used to sing. So I'm very attached to this song. And my cousin brother Gabriel used to play the guitar when I didn't even know how to play the guitar. So Gabriel, if you're there, this video reaches out for you. Thank you for showing me this song Claudia. So the Claudia song has these chords. I'm doing it in the key of D major. Okay, D is the first chord. Then we have E minor. Then we have A major. There's a D7 in between. And there's a G. So please make sure you tune your guitar too. Alright? So it goes like this. Claudia Mogachea urbeborit assa mozo. Claudia mojea dolleamcher xapla rupkar tuzo. Claudia kallzant mogacho petton assa uzo. Claudia anjea mogacho mataro nezo. Okay, so the song starts in D major. Claudia Mogachea, wait on D. Ta ra ra ta 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 ra ra ta ra ra ta ra ra ta ra ra ta 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 ra ra ta ra ra ta ra ra ta ra 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 ta ra ra ta ra ra ta ra ra ta ra 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 ta ra ra. Okay, one more time. D D D D D D D D D D D E minor A A A A D D D D D D D D7 D7 E G E minor A A A D. Okay, in case you miss, please rewind and pause in between wherever needed, so it helps you out. Okay, so now let's go back to the rhythm section. Rhythm section is, I'll just hold a D chord and so you can practice this first. Okay, hold a D and you go 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you might be getting confused with my right hand, so just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It goes 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you want, you can just play downstrokes. 1 2 3 4 5 6, or 1 2 3 4 5 6, as long as you're playing in time and on beat. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can do 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2, I'll just show it slowly. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So practice this and then go to the chords. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please put in your comments in the comment section and share karo misun naka. Till then, see you. Bye.